So, I just finished waxing my car with this product I purchased myself with my own money. I showed you how to hand polish it and also how to use a machine polisher to get this wax on. I like to test all these products. I buy them with my own money. I have very little sponsorship opportunities, but in case you're watching this and you're interested, feel free to reach out. If you want to sponsor my videos, I have created YouTube memberships. My channel is completely free for everybody, and this is a hobby. But if you want to sponsor my videos, there are a couple of tiers. If you want to become a member against a small monthly subscription fee, you can cancel anytime, and it helps me to buy and try out new products. I will also try to reach out faster. There are special emoticons. If you're from me, you know I've been playing with emoticons since a millennium. I really love it. It's very cool. And there's also an opportunity to watch certain videos faster. So yeah, in case you're interested, check out my memberships. But if you just want to stay a free member, of course, I'm just as happy with any type of member on my channel. I'm looking forward to seeing you in future videos. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Please write me in the comments, ask me anything you want. And I'm looking forward to sharing this hobby and passion with you. See you in my next video. Auf Wiedersehen.